ahead, 1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
Stand by to dive.
Diving stations.
Pressure in the boat.
Press air readings are normal.
Flood the main ballast tanks.
Flooding main tanks.
Let's take it down.
Aye, Captain.
Dive. Dive. Take it down easy.
Trimming bow diving planes, 3 degrees down.
Catch her at 10 fathoms. Steer 30 degrees.
Right rudder, 30 degrees.
All ahead throttle. Steady as she goes. G'day. This is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event.
Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level off at 180 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat, but now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you? Too deep for you. Come aboard, explorers. Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Hey, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers. It's time to go. Hey, there's a spot.
Nemo, wanna ride some tasty waves? Sure, squirt. Where? EAC, dude. It'll be like, whoa. Like, whoa. Let's go. Follow me to the EAC.
Nemo. Oh, lost again. Nemo.
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady. Take her into the car. Overhead standard.
Aye, aye.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Hey, Dad, I got Nemo.
Welcome to the EAC.
bitty Marlin.
This is fun! We're gonna hit the
Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken boat. Sweet.
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
I am looking for my son.
I can help.
It's Nemo!
Where?
I don't know where. That's why we're trying to find him.
By who?
My son, Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together.
Hello, morsels. There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once. No, Bruce. Remember the pledge. Right then. I am a live shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You look like one of these balloons. Oh, that's easy. Spin away!
You're all stations. System check.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full.
Hey, Squirt, what are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory?
Wait!
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer.
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anyone. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
Uh-oh. What's that? It looks like light.
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloonish. Boing.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. Boing, boing. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
Alright, Mr. Smarty Pants. Boing, boing.
Stop playing games!
Come on.
No, Dory! I'd like to a party! Let's go!
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. I found you! I was so worried!
About what?
We're alive! We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo! Nemo? Nemo? Say something!
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! It's Big Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give us some food. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo! Check out all the whales! Sydney Plankton, he says that whales only eat krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude?
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining